devices at a rapid pace compared to other brands in the ecosystem. Last 2 years, Nokia released the Nokia X6 or the Nokia 6.1 in the international market. The Nokia X6 promises better and more premium features than the Nokia 6. So without further ado, let's get the Nokia makes it a habit of making very simple boxes, and this Nokia X6 box just follows the trend. So we have a little clip here. Pulling it off, we see the device at first sight, and it looks really cool, and it's actually very compact if you're a small-handed person, but it looks really cool to my taste. Next, we have this small box, and we have the SIM ejector pin here for the SIM removal and all this. Next, we have our CPU case, which is wrapped in this small little white waterproof, and the CPU case looks really cool and sturdy. It's a nice have at this price point. Next, we have the last box, which contains first the 10 watts charger. Looks cool, but this pin for the EU version. Next, we have our USB cable, and gladly it's a USB type C, so it's actually wonderful to see these things at this price point. Next, since this one I got was the Chinese variant, we have some little papers to read, and they are basically in Chinese, so if you understand, that's good for you. Of the waterproof. Wow. To be honest, I really love the design of this phone. It is my very first Nokia phone I've used that has dual glass front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Though it doesn't offer as much protection as Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and Gorilla Glass 6, but it's actually a very nice feature to find on this phone. Next, we have an aluminum frame. Oh, this is wonderful. So in all, I can say this phone has one of them built for this price point. So let's just turn it on, give it its first boost. Wonderful. Next, talking about the screen, it is actually a 5.8-inch IPS LCD, notched. Yeah, you can actually see it. This is a very small notch with an aspect ratio of 19:9. Now, talking about cameras, this phone has two cameras at the back. It has a 16 megapixels face detection autofocus, a 5 megapixels depth sensor, it has a flash, and you can also see the fingerprint is at the rear, which is wonderful. Next, we'll go to the performance. This phone is being powered by a Snapdragon 636 chipset and has up to 6 and 64 gig, and that is the model I am actually reviewing now. If you've been following Nokia before now, you know they are into this Android One program, which offers Google's stock Android on their devices. So you can see the phone doesn't come with any pre-installed software, just come with all the Google features right in the box, and it is ready to receive Android 10. Now, one very interesting fact I found about this device is that it still keeps the headphone jack, and while you're using the device, while you're scrolling through the apps, you have these very sensitive haptic feedbacks, which are very nice on a device like. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, don't forget click the like button, and don't also forget to click the subscribe button so as to get the latest tech news and reviews as soon as they're out.